Yeah, and the coach, and the coach, I don't like to celebrate. He was like this. He never played for one time. But he makes like this. He makes
with this goal. This is a bang, bro. This is a bang. Boom.
It was football Pakistan. It's not football country. Yeah, you have to celebrate. Your confidence in your man, child.
It's impossible. 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes.
Yeah. It was like,
we've been waiting because we said the goal is coming. And when the goal is coming, we were like, wow.
One goal, we need to go one goal.
Bro, I'm telling you, we've been waiting for the pitch where I've been sitting. And so they're knocking in the door. The goal is coming. When the ball came, oh, where? I'm there, man. Bro,
the final. But I think we had voted for something with yeah, but it was just a little bit. They came later. Why you didn't do that?
You know what happened was he gave me an assist when we were in Congo. Remember, Gabriel? You were in Congo.